This is my practice video TED talk. uh, 3 weeks. What really happened to the plastic? What really happened with the title? What really happened to the throw? What really happened to the plastic you throw by Emma Brace? What really happened? eh, this is story. This is the story of the plastic bottle and empty and discarded. Your journey about to the first with outcomes. With outcomes to impact to impact that in that impact nothing less than the fate of the planet, but they weren't always this way. To understand where the bottle ends up, we must first explore their origins. The heroes the heroes of story were conceived in oil refinery. The plastic in their bodies was formed by chemically bonding oil and gas molecular together to make monomers. In turn, these monomers were bound into long polymer chains to make plastic in the form of millions of pellets. Thus per melt at manufacturing plants and reformed in molds to create resilient material that makes up the triple bodies. Machine filled the bottle with sweet bubbly ale, and they were the warp shipped, bought, opened, consumed, and unceremoniously discarded. And now, here they lie, poised at the edge of the unknown. Bottle one, like hundreds of millions of tons, his plastic brethren end up in a landfill. This this hug dam expand each day as more trash come in, counting counting to take up space as plastic sheet the being compressed among layers of other junk. Rainwater flows through the was and absorbs the water soluble compound it contains, and some of those are highly toxic. Together, they create a harmful stew called leachate, which can move into groundwater, soil, and stream, poisoning ecosystems and harming wildlife. If it can take battle on an agonizing 100 1 killion years 1 killion 1 1 killion years to decompose. Battle's tooth journey is stranger, but unfortunately no happier. He floats on a trickle that reaches uh, a stream that flows into a river, and a river that reaches the ocean. After Mon lost us at sea, he slowly drowned into massive vortex where trash accumulate uh, a place known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Here the ocean's current have trapped millions of pieces of plastic debris. This is one of five plastic fields given in the world since place, places where the pollutant turn the water into a cloudy plastic soup. Some some animal like a seabird get entangled in the mess. They and others mistake the brightly colored plastic bit for food. Plastic plastic makes them feel full when they're not. So they strive to that and pass the toxic from the plastic up the food chain. For example, it's eaten by lanternfish. The lanternfish are eaten by squid. The squid are eaten by tuna, and the tuna are eaten by use. And most plastic don't biodegrade, which means they're destined to break down into smaller and smaller pieces called microplastic, which might rotate in the sea eternally. But battle there is spared the coral protagonist of his brother. A truck brings him to a plane where he and his composition and squeezed flat and compressed into a block. Okay, this sound pretty bad to but in there. It gets better. The blocks are shredded into tiny. Okay, thank you.